Let's take a look at this question on reading comprehension. All of the following statements can be attributed to the brain except the brain has outstandingly beautiful and intricate patterns whose significance is still perceived only faintly. This has been mentioned in the passage or can be inferred from the passage. Information is carried by physical entities such as brains. Even statement 2 is clearly perceived or can be discerned from the passage. Option 3, the state elements of the script and the meanings of the signs of the language of the brain can be realized and interpreted in order to understand it. Even this choice is fine. The intrinsic features of the brain can be impressed upon by the extrinsic signs and symbols. If you read the passage closely, you will find 4 is nowhere mentioned in the passage. Regarding option 5, the important feature of the brains is the material they are made up of. If you look back into the passage at one of the paragraphs, just read the last line of the middle paragraph. Or, so the important feature of brains is not the material that they are made up of, but the information that they carry, which contradicts option 5 clearly. Since the question is all of the following statements can be attributed to the brain except, the correct answers here will be 4 and 5. So option 4 and 5 both are correct here. Note that this is a multiple answer choice question where one or more than one answer options can be correct.